Water's boiled, it takes longer to boil when you add the salt.
Sure.
Okay, and then just fan it out. Put the water in here, the pasta in here. Another rule I have is, do not, under any circumstances, break your pasta.
I was the king and queen of that growing up.
Okay,
Push
so
it into the pot.
So this is going to sit like this, and then we're going to put it over here and let it cook. And it's going to take about 8 minutes. And guess what? It actually works. It comes down, and then we're going to just sit and wait until it's ready. So I'm just going to taste it. So this has to have a little bit of bite in it because it has that pepper. And that's about
Comes the math.
90 seconds.
Wow. Okay.
In the middle of this, what we're going to do is we're going to take some pepper. Now, this is black pepper in a pan that I've turned out. I just started a little bit. I'm going to put a few more in here. Very important, when you want to have thick black pepper, you pull. When you push it to fine and you pull, and that's where you're going to get 2 different grinds. So you want to toast this. What it does, it brings out the natural oil and the pepper, and it just makes everything a way more floral. Okay? So the key to this is you got to have enough pepper and you got to have enough cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here we go. You can see this now. It's starting to just come down. Now, I don't want it completely dry. I want it just so that when I put everything in here, it'll look cheesy, but not too, dry. Very important.
This is a great dish where you feel like you don't have anything to make for dinner.
Oh, and you always...
You got a hunk of cheese, you got a box of pasta, you got cacio pepe.
So there's just a little water in the bottom here. See that?
Cacio pepe is kind of like Italian mac and cheese.
Okay,
Yeah,
so,
it totally is. It's like the original.
We're just going to toss this with the pepper.
Achoo.
Yeah, I know. A little bit of salt. Be careful with the salt because you got this cheese going in. Pecorino Romano.
And you got the concentrated
And
pasta water, too, which is
A little olive oil.
formidable.
So, again, one of the things I always say is be careful that you add the cheese when the fire is off. It's really important. So I like to just add a little bit at a time and just get it together.
So, Jeezy, what's the reasoning for turning the fire off when
This
you add
will
the
curdle.
cheese?
It will break. So if you notice, if you watch TV, you'll see the real good chefs will just add just a little bit at a time. Now I'm just going to add, just for a good measure, a little bit more pepper.
And live.
And a little olive oil. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm
Yes.
ready, man. I'm
That's
here.
the dish.
That's it.
Bring it.
So simple.
And just because there's a hunk of pecorino romano sitting here, I'm going to,
Yeah,
give
you
a
load
little
it up,
place.
bro.
Oh, it.
We'll never say no to that.
What I love the best is when you grate cheese over hot stuff like that and you see those pieces stinking, start
You
stinking.
start curling up right there. I saw it.